Brighton Price, and I'm a personal coach, a trainer, a motivational speaker, and the founder of the GetPaidToType.com. Now, today, what I want to talk to you guys about is mindset, the power of the mind, and how you can use the mind to use your mindset to help you towards success. Alright, so as soon as you hear the word mindset, the first word that probably comes to your mind is the word mind itself. So basically, mindset has to do with the way you think, whether negative or positive. And guess what? The way that we think affects the way we behave, right? So it's as Confucius says, the man who says he can and the man who says he can't, they are both correct. Remember, if you tell yourself you can do something, you will go above and beyond to get it done. However, if you tell yourself you cannot do it, you will not make the effort, hence, it will not happen. So, the way that you think affects the outcome that you get, whether successful or not. So, today I want you to make it your point of beauty to start thinking in a positive way. Start thinking about the best things in life that you desire, right? Start seeing yourself in great places, doing great things, meeting nice people. Start thinking different and you'll get a different outcome. What we need to be aware of is that as human beings, everything begins in our mind. So let's say, for example, even our emotions. Somebody says something to you and you think it was mean, right? You think it was mean. From the moment you think it's mean, your features, your facial features will want to change. Your behavior towards this person will want to change. Why? Because you think what the person said is mean or it does sound mean to you. So whatever we think affects our behavior, right? A next example is, say for instance, you want to start a business. Straight away, a lot of thoughts will start going through your mind and telling you that you need to get some money here, you need to get a business plan, you need to get a building, you need to know what kind of products you're going to sell, right? Those thoughts will go to your through your mind, as well as thoughts that can come that may say, you're not good at this, you're not a business person, you can't do this or you can't do that. So you will have good thoughts and bad thoughts flowing through your mind at all time. It is up to you to choose a thought that you think will help you to progress and move further in life. So a lot of thoughts will flow through your mind on a daily basis. You have to know which one to choose and which one to hold on to, which one to let go of. You have to know which thought to follow to make your life better. Now, one of the things that I realize hold a lot of persons back is fear. Fear is false evidence appearing real. A lot of persons allow fear to hold them back because they think in their mind that if they do this, something will go wrong. It leads right back to the thought. And the thought that you get now makes you fearful, right? So it's up to you that to decide that, look, I feel fear about this, but I'm going to do it anyways, right? Because this will make my life better. And if you look at it, a lot of stuff that persons are afraid of, it won't kill them. It makes no sense, right? You might say, I want to learn something from that lady, but I'm afraid if I go to her, she will say no. What's the worst that could happen? She say no, you won't die. You'll just find another person to learn from. So a lot of the things that we are fearful of will not kill us, and once it will not kill us, we should do it anyways. All right? A lot of persons are afraid of the unknown. Persons are afraid of what they don't know. That is a thing. And once you keep letting fear take control of your life, you will live in a lot of regrets. You will be hurt a lot of time, right? You will be miserable. A lot of bad stuff will happen because you make fear take control of your life. So today I want you to look into your situation, look into your life and decide that you're going to take a leap of faith and do this thing that you've been putting off for the past 2 years or the past 3 years. Just do it. Just tell yourself, I'm just gonna do this now and see how it works or make it work, right? Do not let fear hold you back from living your best life. Because the thing I found out, our biggest enemies is ourselves. Because when we tell ourselves that we can do this, we ourselves stop ourselves in our track and say, no, you can't do that, and just leave it like that. You need to give yourself a chance. You need to stand up for yourself, right? It's time to do things different. And the time is now. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't tell yourself, oh, next week I'll do this. Oh, next week I'll do it. No, start doing it now. Start making some little baby steps until you reach it. Because baby steps are what lead to success. I want to end by saying, think positive thoughts at all time. Whenever the negative thoughts come to you, you are in control. Think something different. Think something that will make you smile. And fear, false evidence appearing real. Be fearful and do it anyways. Whatever you're afraid of, just do it anyways. And you will see the outcome and you will see a difference in your life. All right, so thank you for tuning in. If you want to reach out to me or talk to me, I'm here to encourage and see how best I can help you to become your better self. All right, so thank you for joining, and it's your girl Layton, and I'll see you on my next episode. Bye.